Hello friends, welcome to It May Help You, my YouTube channel. Last two videos were dedicated to success, what success is. In the first, I threw some ideas about success, and in the second one, I focused on our own idea of success. I insisted that we should have our own idea of success, and that something within we must get that idea what exactly I want, what exactly I mean by success, and that is the way we can be at peace with our own success. Okay, now in this video I'm going to share with you one anecdote, and it is about my meeting with one achiever, one IPS officer, and in the conversation I got something that has really helped me shape my again idea of success, or even when I shared that with some of my students. In previous video there was one thing that I told: we can look at people, those who are successful, maybe IAS officer, maybe IPS officer, and when we talk to them we get different ideas about preparing for that. At the same time we can get a perspective about life, perspective about success. Now I'll tell you what happened. I was on a tour. It is a kind of counseling tour. It was planned by the college. I was one of the speakers. Career counseling, that's what we say. So while on tour, at one place, that IPS officer was the guest, and I got an opportunity to had a discussion with him. I was very curious about how he joined this, what was his inspiration, how he prepared and all that. So I started asking questions when I got some time, very private, nobody was there, only myself and he was there. So I asked, the first question was, what was the inspiration and how come you decided that yes, now this is what my aim is. Now he just told me about that basically an engineer working in a multinational company. One fine day he realized that this is not the area he wants to work. He wants to be in the administrative services, IAS, IPS and all that, specifically IPS. He quits and then starts preparing, and in the second attempt he got through. He was posted in Chandrapur, not as SP but additional SP. I said it's difficult for any engineer or any professional to quit a job in a multinational company and enter into something that is difficult. Not only difficult, it's uncertain. You can start preparing for IAS and IPS, but what's the guarantee that you will get through? You have to put in a lot of hard work, but there is always that sense of uncertainty somewhere. Well, you have to gamble. Of course, that gamble is based on extreme hard work. His response was such a brilliant response. Like he said, sir, this story of success is actually the story of sacrifices. What a response. Just in one sentence, he has written an article, I would say, because story of success is a story of sacrifice. You have to sacrifice a lot. Day and day only you can succeed. What a way of looking at success. A brilliant perspective to success. He sacrificed his job in multinational company, prepared for the UPSC. In the second attempt, got through. Of course, that was testing fine for him. He went through all that ordeal, and finally he got through. And yes, now he can proudly say that IPS officer badge is already on his shoulder. So this story of success, whenever we want to write the story of success, it has to be written on the canvas of sacrifices. That is what he meant, and I appreciated that so much, that number of times in the class also I repeated this and told, come on, story of, if you want to write your own story of success, start writing story of your sacrifices. It's a brilliant way of looking at success. See, you decide not just about IAS or IPS. You today decide that from tomorrow onwards, I am going to focus on my fitness. Maybe I'll be running 5 kilometers in 30 minutes. Now, this is your goal. No, the first day you may not even go to 500 meters, but still you have to go. But I'm not talking about how you can proceed about the success. I actually have a different story to tell here. See, when you decide that you will be working on your fitness, maybe you have to wake up early in the morning. So the first step is the sacrifice. You sacrifice your 1 hour sleep. Rather than getting up maybe at 8 o'clock, you are ready to get up at 7. If you are getting up at 7 to manage the time slot of that fitness routine or the fitness schedule, you get up at 1 hour earlier. So it is all about sacrificing 1 hour sleep. If you plan out that the fitness schedule will be in the evening, then obviously you will be compromising on 1 or 2 hours you will be spending or enjoying with your friend. So that is a simple sacrifice, but that is essential. If you are not ready to sacrifice 1 hour sleep, it will be difficult for you to manage that fitness slot in the day-to-day routine or the time schedule. If you are not ready to sacrifice that 1 or 2 hours in the evening that you are actually spending with your friends or maybe watching television or whatever your schedule is, again it will be difficult for you to proceed in the direction of fitness, the goal that you have set for yourself. So you have to sacrifice. I have given you just an example of it. The day you decide that I am going to prepare for one examination, maybe JEE or maybe IAS or maybe CAT or any examination, now you want to study. Now you decide that at least 8 hours of study a day is necessary for me. Now it means that for 8 hours you are isolating yourself from all other things. You are sacrificing all other things for those 8 hours. The day you feel that the 8 hours are not enough, maybe you have to sacrifice something more. So whatever story of success you want to write, whether it is for the examination, the competitive examination, or any examination that is entrance examination, or any examination, or any fitness goal or any goal, you have to sacrifice something. Unless you are ready to sacrifice something, you will not be able to walk on the path of success. And again, success is not about going to the destination, the final destination. It is about taking small, consistent steps. You have to take the steps one by one, consistently, without fail. There will be failures. One day you may not be able to take a step, but next day you have to. So that is what ultimately will take you to the final destination. And in our entire process, you have to sacrifice a lot. So the story of sacrifice is nothing but, or it actually leads to the story of success. Usually, when we look at successful people, we are always attracted by the glamour around the success. You know, that flash of success, it in fact prevents us from looking beyond. If you look beyond the flash of success, then what you will find, list of sacrifices. All those sacrifices, all the hard work, everything that is put in by the successful person. So dear friends, if you want to write your story of success, start writing your story of sacrifices. Time will not stop for you. You want to start writing, start from today. Don't wait for tomorrow. But rest assured, if you are not prepared to write story of your sacrifices, you will never be able to write the story of success. This is a brilliant perspective I got from one IPS officer, and I have shared with many of my students, and I'm sharing with you today. And I still feel that this is a brilliant way of looking at success. When you focus on the sacrifices, what somebody has sacrificed while attaining the success, that is where you stay humble. The success will never get into your head. You will remain humble, and I am sure this becomes an inspiration for others. So if you want to inspire people, not just by your success, but also by how you are able to digest that success, even if you are a successful person, but still you acknowledge the sacrifices, and you acknowledge and you respect those who have helped you, that is where you can command respect. So along with the success, these are the characteristics, or these are the attributes. If you can acquire, I am sure you will earn lot of respect. But again, it is possible only when you understand that story of success is a story of sacrifices. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am sure I have shared with you a couple of ideas about success that are of help to you. But if you feel that it needs some kind of improvisation or the modification, you are free to do that. But you can always have your own way of thinking, your own way of looking at success. Have that. If you want to share that in the comments, as well as you can write to me in the with the email ID that I have shared. There is one more video to go, and in that video I'll be again sharing the one more idea about the success. So wait for my next video. But meanwhile, if you have liked my video, subscribe, click the like button, share with your friends, because it may help others also. And don't forget to click the bell icon for the notification. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.